Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig that I got from Amazon. I've already slicked back my hair. As some of you guys may know, I cut my hair like a month or 2 ago. Yeah, so it's growing back. I've been able to put it in bigger ponytails, but yeah. So first things first, this is what the wig came in. I have not worn it yet at all. It came in this. It came exactly like this. And yeah, and it comes in another packaging that also came a little bit ripped, but that's fine. So I got this wig for $30. I've seen a lot of people do videos on this wig, and I thought, why not try it out for myself? So this is what she looks like. She looks like. This little thing came in it too. The head sizing actually was kind of big, but I have a big head. Like, I have a giant head, y'all can see right now. Especially my forehead looks huge, but yeah, so this is what she looks like. Wow, she's longer than I thought she was. Come back. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up on the lace. So this is the lace. It's really nice actually. Oh, and this wig is synthetic also. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like just straight out the box. Like no plucking, I'm just gonna stick it on my head. No wig cap, I know, it's okay. Okay, I don't know, I really like this. Like, what took me so long to pull this wig out of the bag? Okay, I'm just going to put her on. Oh. And oh, actually, this feels a little, yeah, like I said, it's big. So this is what she looks like just out of the bag. Of course, I'm going to do some plucking. I'm going to also do that on camera, but like, that is not bad for a synthetic. Like, look at the hairline. It's the hairline. I'm really liking this. It's just that it's really big, of course. I don't know if I look to see if there's a drawstring on there. But the hairline looks really good, but I am going to pluck it. Also, it's a little tangly, but that's expected with a synthetic wig. That is definitely expected, but it's not too bad. So I'm going to be back and I'm going to pluck this and I'm going to apply it. Also, I forgot to point out that there are 3. 1, 2, you can see the one in the middle, 3 clips. There is the little, I'm not really sure what this is called, the band, the adjustable band to make it tighter. I'm definitely going to use this because it's definitely big on my head. So, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to another clip of me plucking it and how I make it look a little bit more natural. But out of the box, like, the hairline looks good. I'm just going to fix the center parting a little bit and apply some foundation and apply. So here are the finished results. I'm actually not too disappointed. The part's a little crooked. I could have fixed it, but for my first time, it's not bad. I think next time what I'll do, I'll push it back a little bit. I feel like it's kind of close. I'm not sure to what you guys think. If I should maybe push it back a bit, like, is it sitting on my forehead? I don't know. But yeah, for my first time, like, I wanted them to be natural. I don't want like the edges to be super laid. But I think that is pretty good for my first time. But this wig, I like this wig. I just don't like it. I also forgot to show you guys how long it is. It's just I have to comb it, brush it constantly. But it is too, stand up so you guys can see. I mean, and then I would have to get like dry shampoo because it's super shiny, like so it looks fake. Like I want it to look natural, but like nothing like major complaints. Like I like this wig. This is really cute. This is really cute. I love it. Like I said, it was from Amazon, so I had low expectations, but an Amazon wig, I like this a lot. I really do. And yeah, I really did. That for my first time laying it, really, I imagine if I like tweeze it some more and like really lay them, it would look really good. But like I said, for my first time, not bad at all. That looks good. Okay, so yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I post my next video. And thanks for watching.